G23, red big boy, red big boy. Today we are going out until sunset, so there's no rush to get out there. I'm tired of waiting, so time to go wake up the fam.
What's the day today, Sean?
You said red big boy?
Yeah.
G23, red big boy.
And we're gonna go on the boat. But I think we're gonna stop by Woolworths and just get some sustenance.
Yeah.
In our classic sleeping position.
Hey, Miles.
Hey Miles. Hey Miles.
Matt, you're meant to sleep
With your head on the pillow.
on the pillow.
Hey Miles, can I have more sleep please?
Red Bull, Matt.
4 packs are cheaper.
Are they actually? Science. Cheaper 4-pack. Then we get the 4-pack. And grab one more.
Reckon more than you need to.
I'm just getting some stuff.
Can you get it what?
A little salad. Oh, we're just gonna have a little bit of a salad for lunch.
How long are you gonna take to make your salad?
5 minutes.
You promise? You promise?
My cooking goals to it. Yes. Okay. 5 minutes after I wash everything.
Alright, let's go.
Jump in, you nutcase!
You can do it on the back.
Oh, really?
I mean, either or.
You cooked it.
Definitely do it on the platform, it's a lot easier.
Jumping? Archie, what are you gonna do, boy? Go, Archie boy, go!